In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Crew Preparation Huddle. This is an absolute game changer. No schedule is worth the paper it's printed on unless it makes its way all the way to the workers as a representation of a collaborative effort among the trade partners. So this visual is one of my favorites of all time. And thank goodness for AI for helping me make it. So the Crew Preparation Huddle happens after the morning worker huddle. And it's where you have a rolling board. Yes, I said a rolling board with magnets and dry erase marker cover on it, where you can attach the look ahead plan, weekly work plan, and plan the day with visuals. I don't know of a better way for us to gather the wisdom of the team than to also gather the wisdom of the workers as well, in addition to the foreman. We have to get to this point. Now in the United States, people will laugh at me for this. But if you go to Japan, this is just how they do business. You can't have a lean environment without standard work. And let me explain how this does that. On these boards, you have not only the look ahead weekly work plan and the day plan, and that's on the front of the board, but on the back side of the board, you have your crew preparation huddle, 6S, your 9 waste, and then you have a little slot here for installation work packages. This is your standard work for the crew. Visual, understandable, standard, and that's how you can make improvements. Now we can be lean, right? So in this huddle, we do shout outs, a safety training topic by trade, review the last day of the zone, and reflect and say, hey, we're moving into this zone. How did we do yesterday? What improvements do we need to make? It's absolutely remarkable. Then plan your day, do a little bit of lean training, your stretch and flex, walk the area, fill out your pre-test plan, and look for the 8 waste or the 9 waste. We use 9 so that you have the unhealthy conflict as well, while you're 5S'ing and keeping your area super lean and clean. It's remarkable. So you have your rolling board, your crew board format front and back, and it enables you to gather the wisdom of the crew and lead visually at the place of work. It's absolutely phenomenal. This is where our industry has to go, and especially these work plans as an outcome of our pre-construction meetings. I hope you've loved this video. On we go.